at that chicken. That's a dancing chicken right there. That's talent right there, Mama Tipsy.
I made it, Uncle Billy. Look at that chicken go.
You might be leaking out a little.
Uncle Billy, that's our Christmas dinner.
He kind of got away from her there. Your old Uncle Billy here, Mama Tipsy behind that camera. Woo!
Hey, everybody.
She's so pretty. She's got eyes as big as a hoot owl. I am telling you what, I'm going to show you a different Christmas dinner idea today. Alright, I'm telling you something right now. I give Mama Tipsy a break from cooking. After all, she's been cooking for those 5 kids all year long.
It is a chore, Uncle Billy.
I'm gonna show you today how to cook a Christmas dinner. It's gooder than salad.
Better than taters.
You know that's right, Mama. Alright, for this Christmas extravaganza, first thing you got to do is you got to get yourself a good grill. You ain't get one of those cheap ass grills at the dollar store. I'm telling you right now, this right here is a grill of my choice. I love these yellow ones like this. I think they make that food taste better, don't you?
I do, and it's so fancy, Uncle Billy.
Oh, Mama Tipsy. After feeding them 5 kids all year long, you deserve a break, Mama Tipsy.
Thank you, Uncle Billy. I do love you so.
I love you too. Alright, so the second thing you do is you get your fire started now. Don't be particular. Just get you some wood, chuck over on that fire like that right there. It ain't matter. You get some of the trash out of your house. It ain't gonna matter what you got put on that fire. Just get it going.
We got Bubba here today helping.
We sure do. Say hi, Bubba.
Hey, y'all boys, what y'all doing?
I know, that's Bubba. That's just, he's the smartest kid in 12th grade, man. He's already 24 years old. All right, here we go. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to coat this chicken. So, I use all this Arby's sauce right here I get on during the year, right, Mama Tipsy?
Right.
It's free. And I just dip my pad down there and I just rub it all over that chicken till it's good, you know? Let me tell you something, I know what y'all are thinking. This is the same sponge I use to wash my truck with, and I make sure I rinse it off way before I wash my truck again, right, Mama Tipsy?
Right.
That truck costs more than our dadgum trailer house costs. We ain't forget about them youngins, are we, Mama Tipsy?
No, you are the best
daddy
to those youngins.
I know I am, so you want to make sure they get some food. So what I do here is I just come in here and get some of these weenies, and I just stuff them weenies right down into that bird, right? And then I get some of these, whatever they are. What are these, Mama Tipsy?
Cheese puffs from the Dollar Tree.
Oh my gosh, we get these cheese puffs right there, and what I do is I crush them up and I just stick them down in that bird like that right there. You just keep, look at that right there. I just stick it down in that bird. Look at that. That bird ready to go on the grill.
Delicious.
Look at that.
Dinner.
Doesn't that look good? So the next thing you do is you get yourself a good green rotisserie stick like this in right there. But the problem with this, you ain't got no handle on the stick. So you just get right there. Hey, Bubba, can you come over and help me just a little bit?
Oh, yeah, Pop.
Hey, but get in there, man. Look at that. Look at the skills this boy right here. Country boys can survive, right, Bubba?
Well, yes, sir.
You know that's right. He says yes, sir. No, ain't that right, Mom Tipsy?
That's right. He is so polite.
Well, look at
Yes,
the way
ma'am.
he's doing that right there. Look at that. You got yourself a dead-comb handle on there. So the next thing you do, you get your bird, and you got your rotisserie stick right here, and then you stick it in like that right there, and you get your bird, and you just stick it right through that bird like that.
Uncle Billy,
Look
something
at
fell
that
out.
right there. It'll be all right. Look at that.
Oh, we got.
Look at that right there. And then you get your rotisserie stick here, and you just turn that. Look at that bird turning in there. Tell them right there, I don't forget the fixings, do I?
No, you don't. We're gonna have us a 12-course dinner.
I tell you what, I just get you some turnip greens and you just toss it in the bottom of the basket. Get you some black-eyed peas, and get you some hominy, put that in there, and look at that right there. Don't forget dessert, that's apple pie filling right there. And you stick them right down in the basket. All right, Junior, you know Mama Tipsy.
Bubba, this is Bubba.
Oh, I'm sorry,
Junior's
Bubba.
my
I
brother.
get them mixed up, them kids.
There's so many of them.
I know, Mama Tipsy. Don't worry about them cans you throw in the bottom of that grill, right, Mama?
Right.
I'm telling you why, because that fire getting up on them, they gonna be uglier than homemade sin. But I'm telling you what, them innards are still good.
Delicious, Uncle Billy. Delicious.
Alright, so once that chicken cooks down, I know this is a different Christmas dinner idea, right, Mama Tipsy?
Ah, you are right.
But look
Uncle
at that bird just a cooking down.
Christmas dinner is gonna be delicious.
Mmm.
It's time to relax, Uncle Billy.
That's why I just get in there and turn your bird around. Right, Mama Tipsy?
You are right, Uncle Billy. You are a genius.
I tell you, say it again, Mama Tipsy.
You are a genius,
I
Uncle
know
Billy.
I am.
He's a modern day Leonardo da Vinci.
Well, thank you,
Bubba.
Bubba. Just turning my bird. Alright, so next thing you do is get your daggone bird. Put it out like that right there. Stick it down on a stick like that. Right in there. Oh, them weenies in there. Oh, yeah, them weenies looking good.
Yummy. I can't wait for Christmas dinner.
Look at that right there. That's how we do it Brazilian style. We just put it on the stick.
Reminds me of when I was just a young lad on the RV park cooking that chicken before the ranger came and kicked us out.
We had the same grill. Now, when that bird is ready, what I do is I get them fixings and I put it right on this warming table right here. You know the warming table right there? The one that Mama Tipsy, remember that? You put the kids in there so they ain't acting wilder than a buck in the dollar store?
Shapes them right up, Uncle Billy.
It does. It keeps that food warm up there, too. And this is the way we do it, right, Mama Tipsy?
Right.
We just get it Brazilian style. Just tear me off a piece of it right there. Come over here on your serving table. Get in here, get yourself some corn going. Get
That's how many, Uncle Billy?
Ow, good, that little warm right there. Put me some black-eyed peas. Get me some of this daggone. Oh, I like that. I like that turnip greens. Oh, that's good. And don't forget the dessert right there. That's hard apple pie filling right there. And then you get yourself some of that white bread, stick it on there, you got yourself a feast going right there. And you ain't get no better than that right there.
Christmas dinner is gonna be so nice this year, Uncle Billy.
And that, I wanted to give you a good one. And here it is, you know, cooking. We do this every Christmas for Mama Tipsy.
Such a special treat, Uncle Billy.
I know, and thank you, Bubba, for filming some of this.
Yes, sirree.
I really appreciate that. And you guys, go out there and cook yourself a special Christmas dinner the Uncle Billy way.
You open salmonella in your mouth there.
All right, here we go. Woo! Oh. Sorry. Mama Tips, I hit you with a weighty. In a good way. Milwaukee's best. You know you can't smell this on your breath. Mm-hmm.
I'm thankful for you cooking though, Uncle Billy.
Well, you're after feeding. Gotta adjust my stomach there. I'm looking.
You're looking great, Uncle Billy.
Look at that right there. Hey man, I'm just getting you ready. If I get a warm. Yeah, I gotta get this bird off here now. I think that bird right there is done. What y'all think, Mom Tipsy?
Yum. Hey.
Yeah, baby.
Oh,
Oh, I might get some of that salmonella. What's that called now? Ow.
Oh.
Man, I'm in the fire. Got my leg hot.
Don't forget those 2 weenies that fell out down there, Uncle Billy.
You know that's right, Mama. Every little weenie counts.